One cloudy day, Robin and Daisy are playing with the dressing up box.
I want to be a bird,
says Robin.
I want to be a bird too,
says Daisy. Robin puts on his bird costume. Daisy puts on her bird costume. And off they go. Robin and Daisy find a baby bird. He's sad.
Hello,
says Daisy.
What's the matter?
I'm stuck,
says baby bird.
I can't get out.
We can help you,
says Robin. Robin and Daisy try to help baby bird.
Pull! Pull!
They pull and pull, but baby bird still can't get out.
Here's my granny and my granddad,
says baby bird.
Granny and Grandad bird, can you help?
Asks Robin.
Yes, we can,
say Granny and Grandad bird. Robin, Daisy, Granny and Grandad bird try to help baby bird.
Pull! Pull!
They pull and pull, but baby bird still can't get out.
Here's my mummy and my daddy,
says baby bird.
Mummy and Daddy bird, can you help?
Asks Robin.
Yes, we can,
say Mummy and Daddy bird. Robin, Daisy, Granny, Grandad, Mummy and Daddy bird try to help baby bird.
Pull! Pull!
They pull and pull, but baby bird still can't get out.
Here's my sister and my brother,
says baby bird.
Sister and brother bird, can you help?
Asks Robin.
Yes, we can,
say sister and brother bird. Robin, Daisy, Granny, Grandad, Mummy, Daddy, sister and brother bird try to help baby bird.
Pull! Pull!
They pull and pull and pull. Then suddenly, whoosh! Baby bird is free.
Yippee!
Says baby bird.
Thank you, Robin. Thank you, Daisy. Thank you, everyone.
Everyone is happy.
Hooray!
It's time to go home. Robin and Daisy wave goodbye to Granny, Grandad, Mummy, Daddy, sister, brother and baby bird.
Goodbye,
Say Robin and Daisy.
Goodbye!
Say the birds.